Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you.
Cozy stone cottage nestled in a lush green landscape, showcasing a blend of rustic charm and modern comfort, inspired by hyperrealistic aesthetics. The structure features natural stone and wooden elements, with large windows allowing sunlight to filter through. The pathway is lined with irregular stone tiles, interspersed with patches of vibrant green grass. Outdoor furniture, including a wooden dining set, is positioned on a spacious patio surrounded by potted plants. A soft, warm color palette of earthy tones and gentle greens enhances the inviting atmosphere. The scene is illuminated by soft sunlight, creating gentle shadows and highlighting the textures of the stone and wood. In the background, the silhouette of trees adds depth to the serene environment. A serene lakeside villa nestled among lush greenery, featuring a blend of rustic stone architecture and wooden accents. The house has a warm, inviting exterior with a sloped terracotta roof and is adorned with vibrant flowering plants and hanging greenery cascading from balconies. The setting is bathed in soft morning light, highlighting the intricate textures of the stones and the glossy leaves of the surrounding plants. The tranquil lake reflects the house and the towering trees on the opposite shore, creating a harmonious composition. The atmosphere is peaceful and idyllic, evoking a sense of tranquility and escape, with a rich color palette of greens, browns, and soft pastels. The scene captures an impressionistic style, emphasizing the beauty of nature intertwined with human craftsmanship. Charming stone cottage nestled in a lush, verdant landscape, surrounded by dense greenery and tall pine trees. The cottage features a rustic tiled roof, green shutters, and large windows adorned with climbing ivy, creating a harmonious blend with nature. Warm sunlight filters through the trees, casting gentle shadows on the walls, enhancing the cozy atmosphere. The setting includes a tranquil waterfront view, reflecting the soft blues and greens of the surrounding forest, evoking an impressionist style with a focus on natural beauty and serenity. Overall, the scene embodies a peaceful retreat, inviting relaxation and connection with nature.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.